Hello everyone, this is Jenny from Tuftinglove.com, and today we are going to talk about a scary but very easily solved problem. So we got some messages from people that would turn on their gun and it would work without pulling the trigger. I show it quickly. So it's just on without, it speeds up when you pull the trigger. It speeds up when you pull the trigger, but it would just be on. This can happen after adjusting pile heights or when you unpack it. And it's a very easily solved problem. It's a misadjustment of this sensor. So what basically happens is the gun is moving and this part should slide underneath the sensor. And it tells it that it's back in its place, that it can stop. So when this slides too much to the back for any reason, this will not close again. So you have these two little metal tips that need to close. So all you have to do is just loosen that bit and make sure this is sliding on top of this. Tighten it again and make sure they stay on top of each other. These two parts need to close. So now when we turn it on, this is not happening anymore. It's doing what it should, and that's how easily the problem is solved. I hope this helped you. If you're still having problems with your gun not turning off, leave a comment or write us a mail to help@tuftinglove.com and we'll figure it out.